Okay, so we're doing major road rehabilitation. We started since yesterday. We started beyond the square. We're right now exiting the square. We're going as far back down as Russell Place. I came out with the contractors assigned to the project. I want to ensure that the work is properly done and that our taxpayers get full value for their money. This is part of the $60 million contract, and this leg of the corridor is the Royal Flat to Old England. So once we're finished with the major rehabilitation, we're going to move right from here straight across to Newhall, into Richmond, and then end in Belritiro. We intend also to return to the Knockpatrick leg, the Mandeville Road corner. So those who are wondering what's happening, we had to pause the work along that corridor because there are some major pipeline activities that is going on there now. As a matter of fact, I checked the location this morning. The pipes are there and the work has started. So as soon as they're finished, we're going to go back onto the Mandeville to Rods Corner corridor. After that, we're moving to the Williamsfield to Cumberland corridor in Belfield.